How to create a contest. Your best reason for creating a contest is that it's an extremely cost-effective way to receive and preview potentially hundreds of original designs from professional freelance designers and only pay for that once you like. By posting a contest description and providing feedback to the freelancers, you can have the best chance to find a perfect design. You can tell the freelancers exactly what you want or don't want in their entries, such as colors and fonts. The information should be detailed and clear. We recommend providing supporting images, sketches or influences if you can, so your contest description can be easily understood. How do I create a contest? From the main menu bar, click Post a Project. Provide a title and a description. This should be as detailed as possible, so that freelancers have an accurate understanding of the work that needs to be completed. Upload supporting files. This is optional. Add up to 5 skills required for freelancers to join your contest. Choose Start a Contest. Set the budget and the currency for the contest prize. Decide if you want your contest to be posted for 1 day or for 3 to 30 days. If 1 day is selected, proceed to step 10, otherwise proceed to the next step. Set the duration of contest and click Next. Choose between Basic Contest and Guaranteed Contest. You can add optional upgrades to promote your contest. Click Show Advanced option to see the available upgrades. Review the details of your contest. Click Get Entries Now and you will be promoted to found the prize. Once this has been completed, the contest will be live.